So here's Rent.app. I'm just trying to create my account. So here I'll just try to sign in with Apple ID. You can also use Google if you want. So this is just the idea in here. And then, yeah, so this is the app. You need to complete your profile. So you need to add your legal first and last name and date of birth, for example, just as an example here. And then you need to add your phone number. You need to add your address, just as an example. And so here is how the app looks like. So here is how the app looks like. It's called Rent.app. Smart rent payments. You can open it up, and this app helps you out with splitting your rent pay. So you can split it. Like, for example, your rent is 1,000, you pay 500 on the rent day. 2 weeks later, you pay additional 500. Your landlord doesn't know that you use it. It works in a lot of residential portals. You can use a virtual split pay routine and account number in your portal or direct to landlord. So you can just use that. Free credit reporting, payment history, 35% of your credit score, your rent on autopilot. So works with all landlords, approval in 5 minutes or less. No credit score impact, free credit building, apply for free. So there is some application process. They will have a soft credit check for you, and then yeah, so that's that. And yeah, you also need to give access to your bank account via Plate, and then they will check your income and expenses and all of that. But overall, pretty popular app. There's also a Rent.app website where you can just go in there. So quite cool. So for example, so if you just go to Rent.app, so here it is, and then you can just see it in here, and then you can just go and then split pay. And then, for example, your rent is, you can calculate, and then you can see how much you pay. But then there is a fee, $10 plus 1.5% of your rent. So in here it will be so $10 plus 1% is what, like $15, and like $22, so around like $33 of monthly fee, for example, for this kind of rent, approximately. So that's just basically what you have. So yeah, that's the idea.